What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal holdings with the ticker symbol PYPL. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I do look at PayPal 2 times a week, every Tuesday and every Saturday. So let's take a look at what happened since this week Tuesday. You can see that price did continue a little bit lower towards that measure move target that I've been looking at for quite a long time now, which is at the 52.11 level. Price stopped at the 55.86 level. So this was a new low of the downtrend, and now we saw a nice bullish reaction off of that low price level. So again, this is still in bearish territory, but since the SPY is looking bullish and a bunch of other stocks are looking bullish, you know that saying that goes by, a rising tide lifts all boats. So again, if all those stocks look bullish, I'm pretty sure PayPal can also follow that momentum to the upside too. So again, this looking like we can see move up higher through the EMA and through this trend line, something like this. However, this is still in bearish territory, and we can always still continue lower towards that measurement target because price is still below that EMA and below this trend line. So that's how I'm looking at PayPal. Just a quick little update. Overall, it's still below that $59 level, which has been acting as resistance since price broke through it. We're still below the EMA, still below this trend line that I drew off the swing highs, and the measurement target hasn't reached. So again, there's a lot of signs stacked in favor for the bears. But again, if the SPY is looking bullish and a bunch of other stocks looking like they are starting to reverse, I'm pretty sure PayPal can also follow that momentum and sentiment toward the upside. So again, there is a possibility we do see a break above the resistance levels. So something like this can occur. And then I think PayPal can reach maybe the 63 level and then possibly the 67 in the future. So again, PayPal has the possibility to push up higher. But again, until I see strong momentum to the upside, like something like this, a lot of green bars, I'll be still looking for more downside. This trend line will tell me if we're going to still see more downside or not. So I can also adjust the trend a little bit shallower, and we'll see how the price reacts from the shallower trend line too. First the steeper one and then the shallower one. So I'll put it on the shallow one first, and then we'll see how it reacts around this price level. So it looks like we're seeing a bounce up to the $59 level, and then let's see if we can break to the low 60s, possibly even the mid 60s. So that's all I have for PayPal on the daily and weekly charts. Or actually, I didn't even take a look at the weekly chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart real quick. And we are near the all-time lows of this downtrend, and price could be failing to reach the measurement target because the bears will only try a certain amount of attempts before giving up. I would say this is all the first attempt, this is the second attempt, and this is the third attempt right here. And usually the third attempt is the last attempt before you see a strong reversal. So again, I like to think of this as the second attempt of the second attempt. They come in pairs. So if we do see a strong reversal out of here, something like this, I think PayPal is not going to go lower in the future for a long time. So something like that can occur in the long term. That just depends on if we do see the strong bullish momentum to the upside in the short term too. So again, let's see how this develops. Again, this is still bearish overall. You clearly see the price has been dropping for quite a long time. Still below the EMA on the weekly chart. Still below this trend line that's been rejecting price several times. So again, overall, it's bearish, but I'm saying that, you know, there is that possibility, and I'm not saying a small one either. I'm saying this is a pretty decent possibility of seeing a bottom here and a possible trend reversal to the upside. So let's see how this develops for PayPal. It could be time for that move up higher that everyone's been waiting for probably a couple of years now. So again, let's see how this develops for PayPal. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.